So you might be asking, why did you join this program? Why did you take out your credit card and paid for this program? Well, when I saw 100% commission, I was like, what? Secondly, e-learning master reseller rights. I'm like, what? This can't be. And then the third one was, will be a community. I'll be part of a community that is outside of your normal social media platforms. I was like, this is it. So I paid for it. And you know what? I was very skeptical because I come from a space where I worked in corporate, I was retrenched, and I needed to find a new space. And I decided to opt in the online. And I really, really got very, very hurt in that space. I was, I lost money. Leadership disappointed me greatly. I mean, people just walked away from platforms. Platforms just folded. Platform disappeared. And, I had to face my family and friends. And I didn't know what to say to them. But when I got to know this program and learn what it was all about, I was so grateful because I didn't need it to contact my family members. I didn't need it to knock on their doors. And here's the thing, if you want to know more about this program, drop the word interested and I'll get back to you. See you on the inside.